Imagine waking up in 2026 with a notification on your phone, telling you it's time for your annual health checkup, and all you need is a quick selfie and a few questions answered while sipping morning coffee. Sounds insane, right? This isn't sci-fi, it's the future of healthcare driven by AI, a world where doctors as we know them might just become an endangered species. Stay with me because what I'm about to reveal will change how you perceive medicine forever. Here's the kicker. Most people don't realize that AI's integration into healthcare is happening faster than ever imagined. By the end of this video, you'll understand why holding this knowledge will put you leagues ahead in adapting to this tech-driven world. Trust me, missing out on these insights could mean falling behind in a rapidly transforming society. Picture this, Emma, a busy mom juggling 2 kids and a full-time job. She used to dread doctor visits, scheduling them months in advance and spending hours in waiting rooms. Now, she simply logs onto an app developed using cutting-edge AI technology that analyzes her vitals through her smartwatch and suggests lifestyle adjustments before any symptoms escalate. But here's where it gets really interesting. Emma's story isn't unique, it's becoming the new normal. This shift doesn't only save time but also prevents minor issues from snowballing into major ailments. Real-time health monitoring becomes second nature, much like checking your email or logging steps on your fitness app. But wait till you hear this. Some argue that AI can outdiagnose human doctors with greater accuracy due to its ability to process immense datasets beyond human capacity. How does it impact us daily? Imagine having access to instant answers at home for medical queries that would otherwise require multiple appointments. It gives power back to patients like never before, but here's the twist, not everyone sees it as an advantage. Critics voice concerns about privacy risks and emotional nuances lost without human touch. Yet proponents argue that democratizing health data actually empowers individuals with unprecedented control over their well-being. Share your thoughts below. Do we lose something irreplaceable when machines take charge, or do we gain more than we bargained for? Drop a comment, I want to hear what you think. And if you're wondering about jobs, yes, there's upheaval on the horizon as certain roles evolve or diminish altogether due to AI interventions in diagnostics and treatment planning systems, creating divisions between skeptics fearing for livelihoods versus enthusiasts embracing innovation head-on for better efficiency without compromising care quality. Now send this video to someone who still thinks a stethoscope can't be replaced, because they need